Can you solve 3 power x plus 2 equals 60 in 60 seconds? So here the stick way. So bring the exponent down with logs. So we can write this as log 3 power x plus 2 equal log 60. And according to log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So x plus 2 times log 3 is equals to log 60. So x plus 2 is equals to log 60 by log 3 and x is equals to log 60 by log 3 minus 2. Now substitute the value. The value of log 60 is approximately 4.0943 and log 3 is approximately 1.0986. So x is approximately 4.0943 by 1.0986 minus 2. So x is approximately 1.7268. Now, you have to find in your homework, that is 5 power x minus 1 equals 70. Drop your answer below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.